Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brandon and this is Style So Dapper and welcome to another video. Today I got another stitch fix for you guys. When you go to the website, you fill out an extensive profile, your sizes, what you're into, shoe sizes, your sizes from head to toe, everything. It's pretty extensive. And you'll be assigned a stylist, and then they'll send you a box of clothes, which it costs $20 every time they send you a box of clothes. And you can receive the box at any time of your choosing. You could do it once a month, every 2 months, every 3 months, whatever you want. Or you can just go on there and just have them send you a box whenever you choose to have them send you a box. And the 20 bucks will go toward anything that you buy out of this box. So if you don't buy anything, the 20 bucks kind of goes away, basically. And then you get like discounts based on how many pieces you buy. So it's not too bad of a deal, especially if you don't like the shop or you really don't know how to coordinate different items. This would help you out. The price isn't too bad. I don't think it's too bad at all. But enough of that. Let's open this box up and see what we got. This is the second box. I gave her a little bit of a message, my stylist, and hopefully she did better on the items, because the last box everything was kind of tight. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll put the link right up here so you guys can check it out. Everything's packaged really well, and you always get these little goodies. So for whatever you don't keep, you can send back, and they send you a pre-paid shipping bag. You just throw it all in here, seal it, and drop it off at the post office free of charge. That doesn't cost anything, which, you know, hey, that's cool. They're not going to charge me to send something back. And then you usually get a price paper in here, and they'll give you little cards of how you should coordinate all the clothes, and your stylist will write you a little note. But I'm not going to bore you guys and read that note, but I will pull out the price list, and I'll tell you guys the prices as we go through, so you guys can get an idea of what they charge you for everything. So let's see what we got here. Feels like we have shoes in here, to be honest. Kind of excited about that. Feels like we have shoes. Let's see what we got here. I'll just take one out. Oh, these are nice. Some nice brown cap toe shoes. These are made by Fairlane. I've never heard of them, but these are actually really nice. There's some nice shoes. Let's check the prices on them. All right, Fairlane leather cap toe Oxfords. They are $120. Not a bad price. I mean, I just bought shoes recently for $200. So that's not a bad price at all, but are they comfortable? I'll let you guys know. All right, let's see what else we got. Looks like we got some shirts here. Got some colors. Some nice colors in there. I like that. Looks like some stuff I would wear. Let's put the price list right here. And let's see what we got. They package everything really nice. I like that. All right, here we go. Looks like a jacket of some sort. It's a sport coat. It's a tan sport coat. I kind of like that. That's a color that you can, very versatile, very casual color. A tan sport coat. That's cool. I like that a lot. I'm gonna try that on in a minute and see how that fits. All right, now we have a, looks like a regular button-up shirt. This color is a little bit out of my comfort zone. A little bit too wild for me, but the shirt is not that bad, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. This one's not too bad. Same thing, another collar shirt. This one's not too bad. I'd probably wear this one. What do you guys think about that color? Now this one I really like. I might have to go and buy this one. Short sleeve, kind of a summertime, springtime, got some floral to it, kind of a subtle version of floral. You know, floral is in. And it's dark blue, short sleeve. Definitely my style. Let me try these on and see how they did on the fit. All right guys, here's that short sleeve shirt, the kind of like the floral one. This one actually fits really well. I'm actually really happy about this one. But let's check the price. Alright, so the price for this one is $80. That's a little steep, but I don't know, I really like this shirt. What do you guys think? Let's try the next one. Alright, so this next shirt is the Fairlane and Son shirt, and this is a $50 shirt. It's also a large, but I can already tell you for large, this is like super tight. I mean, I can't even button it. But as far as like the sleeves go and all that, that's all good. It's just too tight. So this is a no, and I don't even like the color. So let's try the next shirt. All right, this is the J Maverick New York. This shirt goes for $50 as well, and it's supposed to be more of a dressier shirt. But again, I think it might be too tight. It's also a large. Actually, no, this one might fit just right. Now that I'm buttoning it all the way up, this one fits a little bit better than the other one. But this color is just too far out for me. With the purple and all that, I don't know. What do you guys think? You think the color is nice? Especially if you wear it with like a suit or a sport coat? I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. Now let's try on that sport coat. Alright, so the sport coat goes for $175, which isn't too bad. I mean, sport coats can go up to almost $400 depending on where you go. But for this particular one, $175, and that might be a little bit pricey, but it's also a very casual one. I think you can go to Target and get something similar. Not really thrilled by this one. Again, I feel like at Target, you can get something really similar for way cheaper. But I like the color. So that's everything in the box, guys. And I tried the shoes on, and they actually fit really well, but I'm not gonna keep the shoes just because I just bought some shoes like not even 2 weeks ago, and I'm pretty good on shoes. But I think I'm gonna keep that short sleeve shirt. I actually really like that. But as far as everything else, I'm gonna send it back. But overall, the service ain't too bad. You know, you gotta keep getting them and let the stylist figure you out and communicate with them and let them know what you like and what you don't like, and it ended up being really well. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hey, tell me in the comments what you think of all the shirts and the sport coat. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.